Now we're going to try Hinava. It's a local dish of Sabah, Dusun, Kadazan, a dish which is made from this fresh sashimi. It's like sashimi, and it's raw fish, marinated in all the ingredients. Let me try. Let me try this dish. I mix with the chili, the onions, and this bitter gourd. Wow, tasty and so fresh with the taste of this spices that we cut and straight in the julienne shape, and it's so tasty and undescribable. You can try it with cucumber, a slice of cucumber, and put the fish, a little bit of bitter gourd, and if you want spicy, you add in chili. I love it spicy and a lot of chili. Wow, the tenderness of the fish, the freshness, it's all blends so well. It's sweet, it's sour, sourish, spiciness of the chili, and a little bit of bitterness of this bitter gourd. It makes the dish so fantastic. Must try.